In this video, we have to fix Reconnect bug in League of Legends. Okay. In this, first you need to write Windows Defender Firewall in search and go to Windows Defender Firewall. In this, click Allow an app of you to store Windows Defender Firewall and click Change Settings. In this, you need to scroll down and check the real client is available or not. Scroll down and you can see the real client is there. It should be there and it should be in private and public mode. Once check it, and if it's not available, go to allow an app and before come back and go to your client, open file location and click copy the address and come back and browse it and paste the address here for easy getting the software. Click it, you can see the real client is there. Click add. I already have, so I cancel. So it should be in both private and public, and also you can add League of Legends also. And after, you need to go to settings, go to network and internal settings and go to scroll down and go to advanced network settings. In this network reset is that, click it and click reset now. It will reset your network settings and default type. And after that, you need to go to app and go to install app and you need to scroll down. In this, you need to check for Vanguard. Your Vanguard, you need to uninstall the Vanguard, so don't panic. The files and folders will be remain same. It will not be deleted. Just if you uninstall the Vanguard, it automatically reinstalled without deleting any account. Now it's uninstalled successfully. After that, go back and open the real client and you can click the update. Now the Vanguard is installing. If you uninstall and after that, if you open the real client, it automatically install the Vanguard. Now installation is ongoing. It takes a couple of seconds to complete the Vanguard installation. Once you complete this, you need to restart your PC because for make effective, you need to restart your PC. So it's installed. The game you require to system restart. Need to restart your PC. Okay. Now I'm checking the Vanguard. You can see the Vanguard is successfully installed. So restart your PC.